I've always been a reluctant meal prepper, especially when I was a commercial cook, because it kind of just felt like more work. But life has changed and this has made everything so much easier. I love using great quality ingredients, and today I'm going to show you one of my favourite go-tos that I actually never get sick of. It's grass-fed gravy beef, zucchini and cauliflower mash that will make you never want to go back to potato mash. So you can use any vegetables that you like. I just happen to really love oven-baked zucchini. I'm going to bake these for about half an hour with just a little bit of salt and pepper and olive oil. So I'm going to use mushrooms to extend the beef here, but eggplant's a really lovely nutty combo as well. Just pop it in when you're actually sauteing the beef, and it goes a buttery, lovely flavour and texture. So these are lovely button Swiss brown mushrooms. Cauliflower has gotten really expensive over the last few years, so for this dish I use a frozen cauliflower. It actually makes the cook time a lot quicker, and when you're processing it, it goes into a really smooth puree, so it's a twofer. With this I put in butter, and I add in a dashi powder, which is just like a umami hit. Don't use too much, and you definitely don't need to add salt once you have this in here. The cauliflower's been blanched, so now we're gonna make a mash out of it. I'll always use grass-fed if it's available, but it is more expensive as a rule. So what I like to do is use cheaper cuts like gravy beef or chuck steak and just chop it down into smaller pieces. This also decreases the cooking time, which is really great. Now it's time to bring it all together. So we start with the cauliflower mash. Oh, so smooth. I'm gonna make a little well for it in the middle for our beef and mushrooms to go in. Oh. Now this has come together for about $5 a meal, which is so much better than having to buy your lunch every day, and so nourishing. Finish it off with the zucchini and a little bit of parsley. Yum, 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 yum. So there is my go-to meal prep dish, beef, mushroom and cauliflower mash.